The heck? The heck are those? Look like you got those things from the Dollar Tree.
But I got them from Hastings. What the heck is that?
Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to ride the swing of death.
Alright, he chose there. Head down.
Take it. Truth or dare?
There.
I dare you both to ride the swing of death.
Why?
Ow!
No! Don't leave!
Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to drop your phone.
Oh. Goodbye, Penelope.
1738. I dare you to fall.
Heck no!
It's the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. The doodle bug. Super Mario. Oh! So are you just gonna stay up there? Are you just gonna stay up there?
Oh yeah.
It's not what I look like when I sleep.
It's still raining. It's still raining. It's still raining. It's still raining. All better. Finder's juice.